Hi everyone, I'm Jewel and welcome to the short range forecast for today, Wednesday, November the 6th, 2019. This is J7409 Weather and I thank each and every one of you for joining me today to check out the short range forecast. If you're into the snow forecast, short range forecast, watches, warnings, things like this, anything pertaining to the weather, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and check off all. Now, what is happening? Well, we got a slight risk of some excessive rainfall over parts of the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley. Snow from parts of the Great Lakes to the northeast. Temperatures, well, they're going to be about 15 to 25 degrees below average over parts of the northern high plains, and we still have air stagnation advisories over parts of the Pacific Northwest and to the northern Intermountain region. We do have a chance of some severe thunderstorms today. And the high and low temp for yesterday, the high temperature yesterday was at Oasis Ranger Station in Florida once again with 94 checking in as a high. And the low yesterday was at Norris Camp, Minnesota with a low of 2. All of this and more is coming up on. We do have a chance of some severe thunderstorms popping up today. They should be isolated, and they're possible, of course, today from eastern Arizona to western portions of Texas, as you can see now. Mainly during the late afternoon and mid-evening hours is when these storms should occur. So if you're in any of these areas, please be aware we could have a thunderstorm pop up as far all the way over into northwestern Tennessee, maybe western Kentucky, but this is the most severe area they could happen, and there is a small chance of maybe some tornado activity in Texas today at 2%. When it comes to severe wind outlook, that reaches Arizona and portions of Texas, and hail reaches all the way over to Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas for severe thunderstorms if they pop up. This could occur in your areas today. This is the latest run of the GFS model for today. I'm going to turn it on and right quickly try to go over what is happening. You can see your timestamp up here in the left-hand corner. We have a front, folks, that's over the middle Mississippi Valley, westward to parts of the Pacific Northwest. Now, it's going to move eastward off the East Coast and southward off the Gulf Coast by tomorrow evening into Friday. Moisture from western Gulf Coast of Mexico looking like it's going to stream northward over the southern plains and intersecting with that boundary. And that's going to produce showers and thunderstorms over parts of the southern plains into parts of the lower middle Mississippi Valley. Now, rain with these thunderstorms is going to be heavy at times, producing areas of scattered flash flooding that can be possible. That's going to be mainly localized for today over parts of the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley, like I was just showing you. Now, light snow will also develop over parts of the upper Midwest through this evening, producing a hazard of slippery roads. And in addition, we got some light snow that will also develop over parts of the upper middle Mississippi Valley into the Great Lakes, likewise producing those slippery roads. Now, overnight tonight, as the storm moves eastward, rain and snow will move into the lower Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley and move eastward into the northeast by tomorrow afternoon. Now, this snow will move into parts of the northern mid-Atlantic and New England overnight tomorrow into Friday morning. The snow will slowly wane away by Friday, and on Thursday, tomorrow, the rain will move into parts of the Ohio-Tennessee valleys, moving into the central southern Appalachians, by tomorrow evening into Friday. The rain then should move into the southeast overnight tomorrow night. Meanwhile, behind the front, a cold high pressure, folks. Going to be cold. It's going to move into the northern high plains by tonight and into the southern plains and upper Midwest by tomorrow morning. And it should be having temperatures anywhere from 15 to 25 degrees below average over all of these areas. As we take a look at the watches and warnings map for today, we can still see air stagnation advisories. Air stagnation advisories over parts of the Pacific Northwest and to the northern Intermountain region as upper level ridging and high pressure bills over the region. It's going to cause maybe some light winds through Friday, but sinking air and light winds will still keep all of these pollutants from mixing out over the region. So you folks right in this area still have these air stagnation warnings going on from northern Idaho, parts of Washington State, and parts of Oregon. Wherever you see this blue, winter weather advisories are intact now. You guys will be getting some snow coming your way over in Montana, portions of South Dakota, lower Minnesota, northern Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, and parts of Michigan. And that's a check of your forecast for today, short range forecast for the lower 48. Thank you so much for watching and everything you do for me. May you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.